Welcome to episode number 3 of his Madden 21 Green Bay Packers franchise series. And today, I'm playing Week 8 against the Vikings at home. The Vikings are 2-4, and the Packers are 6-0. This series, remember, it's on rookie. It's only on pro in my Carolina Panthers fantasy draft franchise. As now with Thanksgiving, there might be a lot more videos because I'm filming this Sunday. This should be on Sunday. And I have RE later, so I'm probably not filming later. It's from 6 to 7:30, so I'm probably gonna film later. Next video on this channel will be next episode of my Vinny J Madden 21 face to the franchise. Next episode is the next video on this channel is the next episode of my Vinny J Madden 21 face of the franchise series. And I should be able to film that tonight. That should go up tomorrow. Probably not tonight. I don't want to post it at like 10, so it's probably gonna go up tomorrow. And then there'll be a video tomorrow as well, along with another video that I would film and post tomorrow. That will be and then so obviously next episode or next video on this channel is next episode of my Vinny J Madden 21. Or next video on this channel is next episode of my Madden 21 or my Vinny J Madden 21 Face of the Franchise series. And then the next 2 videos after that, I'm not sure which order, will be my Director Saints Rotation Franchise and my Audie Pullman Road to the Show. I'm not sure which order, and then after that, after those 2 videos, then it will be my Henry Down Road to the Show series. And that possibly could be two videos on Tuesday, maybe. I might have basketball practice, and tomorrow I might actually have a basketball game. Coach said there was one, but it's not on the schedule, and he hasn't said anything about it, or said like what time it is, and where it is. I think it's on the road though, but I don't know what time it is. So probably at night. I doubt it'll be during the day. There's probably people work Monday and Tuesday. I've been at private school, and usually we have to go to school Monday and Tuesday that week of Thanksgiving. But this year we don't, because usually we have like 2 days off because they have some ACE conference in Houston, but because they don't have it this year because of COVID, those 2 days that we would get off for that conference, Thanksgiving. Rather than have that be the whole week, instead of just have 3 days. Well, that week we had a full day Monday, and then we had a 2 p.m. release on Tuesday always, so it wasn't like a full day Tuesday as well. But this year we had the whole week off, and we had a 2 p.m. release on Friday. And then obviously Thanksgiving will be Packers at Cowboys, or it'll be Packers at Cowboys Playing Out game. It'll be episode 1 of my Madden 21 Playing Out series. And then Babe Ruth Road to the Show series Friday, Star Wars Road to the Series, or Babe Ruth Road to the Show series Friday, Star Wars Road to the Show series opening in 2022 Saturday, and then my Austin Dunn has the Intro 20 Expansion Draft franchise series. That's the plan right now, but it could change because I might be able to film 2 videos in a day and hopefully post both of them. As we have 4 players to negotiate. One problem though, our cap room is 0. Well, it's not 0. It's at 1 million. But no one's like worth 1 million here. That's the problem. So we have Bakhtiari is not interested, but I mean because he wants $37.3 million over 4 years, $39 million signing bonus, total 76.3. In real life, he's signed like a 100 million plus contract. But and then we have Funchess, which he's injured, and in real life he opted out. Here's he's injured. Lazard, well, there's no one. We could maybe get this guy. Irvin, well, all these other guys, like the guy that we have there's an 88 back here, and it's this Loden Ryan. I don't know. And then we have Tanner Wayto. I mean, obviously I'm probably not gonna re-sign these 2 guys. But Tanner Wade only wants $2 million, but like and then Loden Ryan, I really didn't, but we don't have like no cap room, and I'd rather you didn't French had one player. I'm gonna go and buy Bakhtiari because I want good offensive lineman, and he's a 96 overall. I mean, he's one of the best offensive linemen in the NFL. I mean, our overall is 83, our offense is 85, and our defense is 81. So what would happen is if we lost our linebacker, there's the draft, but if we win the Super Bowl, then well, and we did a little pit, but I mean our obviously went out Blake Martinez. Our outside linebackers are perfect. Smith brothers, they're not actually brothers. I mean, we have Alexander's at 92, Chin is 74, Jackson is 73. So if we lost Loden and Ryan, it wouldn't be an end of the world. And then obviously we still have Clark, and then middle linebacker if we lost Wade, we would be set with a 63 and a 73. Well, actually, we did have a 73 and a 66 if I moved his berths over to the middle linebacker 2 spot. But there also is the draft, and maybe it is the trade deadline. I could have maybe via trade, but then it is a trade deadline. And I don't know if after this game if it's still available. But that won't be this year though. That'll probably be on the off season. So we're set for this year for now. But I'm probably not most likely franchise tag Bakhtiari because he's basically one of the best offensive linemen in the NFL. So yeah. So 1 p.m. Eastern at Lambeau Field. Vikings 2 and 4. Hopefully they don't upset us like they did in the Patters in real life. This is the day after I came back from Nebraska, and obviously next episode of the series will be week 12 against the Bears at home at Sunday Night Football. So yeah, next episode is week 12 against the Bears at home on Sunday Night Football, and that game in real life happens a week from tonight. So next Sunday night. Today, the Patters play the Colts. They moved that game. They moved that game to the 3:25 slot because here, I thought you didn't see it because of the glare at the top. It says that game was at 1 p.m. Eastern. Or I'll just say, it says that the game's at 1 p.m. Eastern, so for us it would be noon Central. They must have moved it after the season started because here they have it during the day. Or, well, 3:25 still during the day, but they have it in the early slot, not the late slot. Which Joe Butt's doing the game, but we don't did it here because the Cowboys were at the same time. And the announcer for that game, the Cowboys game is Kenny Albert, and the announcer for the Patters game is number 1 crew, Joe Butt and Troy Aikman. So let's end the game. Stip/simulate training, or it says stip in parentheses, simulate training. Play full down. I put the moments for the game that play off camera. Or for the games that are off camera, I play the moments for the game on camera. Obviously, I play the full game. Let's do it. 60-minute experience, hopefully. 6-minute quarters. We're in 83. They're in 81. So yeah. Hands. Let's go. Advanced center. I wish I could switch this on. Point toss. First choice with win. Second choice received. Because I wanted to bust it center off. And then uniforms. Turn home for us, turn away for the Vikings. So normal uniforms for both teams. Let's get into the game. Stay on the field at 175 speed, airmail, 3 passing touchdowns. I didn't see how much XP it would be. And he must have 27 tackles. Devontae Adams had 13 touchdowns. Let's watch a presentation. Alan Roach. Dude, that's not. J.T. Stein, our punter, does kickoffs and punts, and then Vincent Crosby, our kicker, does hits extra points and field goals. And he's up to the 26-yard line, 4 seconds into the game. It's 4 6-minute quarters. Remember, when the screen on the TV moves, the screen on the camera moves. So I'll try the screen. If the TV gets turned off, or the screen, or if the camera, or if the camera's crooked, I'll try fix it as soon as I can. I'll try to fix it as ASAP. Anyway, now I want to be Clark. Any Clark. Our bye week, well, it happened in week 5, so we had an early bye week. It's raining too. I didn't realize it was raining. That's the only didn't change the weather and play out, so it wasn't. And face the franchise career mode of franchise, you can't affect it. The computer fits it, so it's raining. And it's in week 8. It's not cold enough to be snowing yet. It's what? November 1st, isn't it? Yeah, November 1st. Cowboys are 5-2. As a sack. Let's go. Birds. Let's try to block a punt. Didn't I block that, what, one punt, I think? On camera? And that one guy blocks it. Or blocks me. Oh, how is Irvin? Sorry, around 38. There's Adams and Rogers. Tampa Bay is 5-2. There's Lazard, and man, that could have been a touchdown. Timeout 13 wins is number 13, who had the catch 29 yards last year. In real life, they went 13-3 at the NFC Championship game, but got blown up by the Niners. So then the Niners lost to the Chiefs in the Super Bowl 2 weeks later. I forgot that was a run play. We're on Pro in my Carolina Panthers Fantasy Draft Franchise Series. We're in Rookie in my Face the Franchise Series, and my Career Mode series, or my you know. Yeah, we're on Rookie in my in this series, my Career Mode series, in this series, we're on Rookie. We're on the difficulty in this series, my Career Mode series, and in my Face the Franchise series is Rookie. The difficulty in my and the difficulty in my Fantasy Draft Franchise series is Pro. There's a Rookie, Pro, All Pro, and All. There's Rookie, Pro, All Pro, and All Madden. Chiefs are 5-2. Jets are 1-6. Rams are 3-4, and that's a big gap. Condo's 1-6. Seattle's 5-1. San Francisco's 4-3. Oh, that was caught by 18. 4 yards. My third. Second down and 6. Yeah. Minute 40 they do in the first quarter. Third. Forward progress. Come on, defense. 45 seconds to play in the first quarter, and we're only, what, 15 minutes in the video? And this is just that there's been a lot of runs. I mean, literally, Cousins passed it twice. After the end of the quarter, and usually I'd blown them out. Jets are up 7-0 on the Chiefs, won the Super Bowl last year. Tennessee and Cincinnati are both 2-4. And there's some ties there. Here we go, sacked him! Picked off! And we take over with 5 seconds to play in the first quarter at our own 10-yard line. Alexander is in the zone. That's what pressure does, boys. Forces bad throws. Alexander needs 5 interceptions. He has 2 already, so he's 40% there. And for Miles, he needs 8. He's 25% there. This is maybe not a good throw. Adams on the final play of the first quarter will go all the way in the rain. 90 yards, touchdown, Packers. The Packers hit the lead. A short touchdown on the final play of the first quarter, the Packers hit the lead on the last play of the first quarter. Crosby hits the extra point, 7-0 Packers after 1 quarter to play. The wind at 7 miles per hour, blowing into the face of J.K. Scott. And that will be a touchback. Browns are 5-2. Raiders are 3-3, by the way. 7-0 Browns. Games are similar. It's 15-minute quarters. The game I play, which will only be Patters game, are 6-minute quarters, and that's a sack. Jackson. There's Vinny J. Obviously, is in my face the franchise. He's the quarterback or the wide receiver for the Paladins, and my Packers franchise, he's the head coach for the Packers, and for that C, he's the quarterback for Packers in my career mode series, and he's the head coach for the Panthers in my fantasy franchise series. Here we go. It's 3rd down and 26. So Clark has 4 sacks on the year. Here we go. Man, safety. Fumble! Scoop and score! It's Preston Smith with a touchdown! As he recovers the fumble in the end zone, touchdown Packers! It's 13-0 Packers, 4:57 to go in the second quarter. Take it to the house. Fumble or strip sack by Lowry, and fumble recover or strip sack by Lowry, and then Preston Smith recovers the ball in the end zone for a touchdown. And the kid is dead. 14-0 Packers, 4:57 to go in the first half. And remember, we did the ball start the second half, so we want to toss something to the first. Well, if we don't have the ball start the first half, start the game, the only reason was if they won the toss and left it to the first. But we won the toss and left it to the first. Patriots are 2-4 in this game. In real life, they're 4-5, and they're losing to the Texans right now. So by the time this video ends, the Packers should be probably playing, but when this video goes up, because they play in about an hour. And I just looked up, Burrow just got tired off. Bengals quarterback Burrow started off with Joe Burrow leaves down against Washington in third quarter with left knee injury. Well, yeah, and this rate, it looks like Trevor Lawrence is probably not into the Jets, because the Jets are probably not at the first overall pick. They might pass up on Lawrence, but if I'm Lawrence, I don't want to play in New York. That's going to be... okay, now we have the guy that Birth is injured. Number 42. You don't want number 42 in football. Obviously, it's only in baseball you can't. Here we go. So, a new guy in, and my goodness, what a hit. Third down. Weird hit. Dislocated shoulder will not be able to return for this game. So we have our substitute is K. Martin, 63 overall. I only have one choice substitute. Dislocated shoulder. I mean, that's probably out. I doubt out for the year, out for at least, I would say, a month. Here we go. I blew right through the offensive lineman for the Vikings, and let's try to block it. Let's go a straight rush. Come on, Savage. Falcons are 4-4. Panthers are 3-5. Now they dive from the. There's two guys that dove computer, and I wanted to fair catch it, but it's over at the 37. 4:39 to go in the first half. 4 yards on the return. Now it's not. Now they're starting to throw it. So the first score in real time took what 5 minutes because it's not like it never stops. Here we go. There's Jones. Oh, I spun the wrong way. Oh, and the Vikings 48 first down. Rodgers 3 for 4, 134 yards, 1 touchdown, 1 interception. Remember that the Packers are playing the #1 defense in the Colts. The Colts are the #1 defense, and the Packers have the #6 offense. In real life, honestly. Here we're about, what, 3 weeks behind? Here we go. Sending down 9, 3:45 to go in the first half, and counting. I got him! I got Stanley and MVS with a touchdown! Fifth receiving touchdown this season. There's Lewis dancing with him. And it's now going to be 21-0 Packers, 3:39 to go in the first half. Great play, 63 yards, a minute long. Sadly. Roger. Why is he wide open? Don't know where. Jaguars are 5-1, complete opposite of real life. They have one win. I didn't want to do a blitz. Send it down. 2:50 to go in the first half and counting. Now 2:40. Blitzing the ball 3 times plus a 2-minute warning. Packers hit the ball 7.5. Oh man, he blew right. First down. Come on, guys. Let's go with a safety blitz. A 2-minute warning. 21-0 Packers. Oh. He went out of bounds. First down, the clock's not. So let's not do the one safety will blitz, but one won't. And Amos is blitzing. Savage is back. Here we go. Oh, almost picked off. Players throwing bottles back there. I'm not sure that was. And then it was it must have been the defense because they're on the bench right now. Here we go. Come on, come on, defense. Fumble! That's gonna be a scoop and score for 58. That's 2 stats and 2 scoop and scores. 2 strip sats and 2 scoop and store. That's Kersley, I think. Dude, that had the scoop and store. I'm not sure about the strip sat though. Who strip sat them? I want to see that. I didn't. Who's 98? It was Covington who got the strip set, number 98. And then Kersley got the scoop and score. Minute 41 to go in the first half. And is now, once he banks this extra point, it is now 28 nothing Panthers. Minute 41 to go in the half. It's going to be a touchback.
At their own 25-yard line. Here are the Vikings now to start their next drive. And it's not an easy situation. You're down early, in the elements, you're on the road.
I don't know why the Badgers are so bad.
One thing is to remember that as an offensive player, you have a much better idea of what you're trying to accomplish and where you're trying to go than the defender. So in this case, because you know, you can make your cuts with a little more decisiveness.
Oh, I caught that. Hurry up here. Let's go. Nickel blitz 2. It's 3rd down and 4. Minute 20 to go in the half. Cover 3 Sky. Timeout, Vikings. 59 seconds to go in the first half.
The Vikings going to signal for the first of their timeouts as they'll stop it with a tick under a minute to go before half. On 1st and 10, Cousins. That is caught.
Two drives that they were actually driving. Well, first one is Covington threw an interception. Second one, while there was a scoop and store. Well, this is a sat. Throw it flats. Well, a chance because they hurried up. It's 3rd and 8. Could have maybe called a timeout. Well, now they're on the edge of field range. They're not calling a timeout. And then they hurried up and then they called their timeout. They're way down. Yeah, it's R38. The wind is, I think, going with them here. No. Not sure. He stayed in. He stayed in. He did stay in. They're kicking. But they ran out of time. 28-0 Panthers at halftime. Let's listen in to John Coachman and the EA Sports halftime report.
We'll get things started up at Ford Field in Detroit. And they are seconds away from halftime, all tied in that one.
Minute 12 they're down.
From there, we'll head to Cincinnati to check on the Bengals at home at Paul Brown Stadium. And you can see they have the lead over the visiting Tennessee Titans. Alex Erickson, a touchdown reception. Finally, we head to the shores of Lake Erie. See what's going on with the Cleveland Browns. And they have the lead in that one over the visiting Raiders. Rashard Higgins up near 100 yards receiving with a touchdown as well. In our game has been Aaron Rodgers, who was on target in the first half. He's thrown for close to 200 yards already, and that's helped propel his guys into the lead. As we send you back to Brandon God.
Not sure what the wind is. I think the winds don't against the stick. Yeah, I saw him blow right past number 24. Just teleported, okay. So what's the win looking like? I think I have a correction. Now it's going in the face of Crosby. Because I think they chose the tip with the win. Because really, our choice is with win, receive. Their choice is receive with win. So they chose with win. I think we were with win in the first quarter. And in the second quarter, weren't we not? Would be against the win? Well, now we're against the win. We're against the win now. But I think earlier... I'm not sure, but... Well, I think in the first quarter, the win was at the back of Crosby. In the second quarter, it was in the face of Crosby, and now in the third quarter, it's in the face of Crosby again. I might have said, I think in the second quarter, the win was at his bat, but in the first quarter, the win was at his bat. Second and third quarter, it was at his, second quarter was in his face, and in the third quarter, it will be in his face. And the fourth quarter will be at his bat. You know, we had 35-0 Packers, 12 seconds into the second half. I might start simming eventually because I don't know. Yeah, I think before. Sorry, I think the start of the second quarter. I think I said this when start of the second quarter. I think I said the win was in the going with. Well, you can see how short it was. I think in the second quarter the win was with. It was at the back of Scott. Because I remember at the second quarter after we scored a touchdown the last play of the first quarter. For some reason the win was I'm not sure what it should have been in his face. It might have actually. I might say it was in his face, but it was actually at his back. But right now it's in his face.
They trail offense first time to touch the ball in quarter 3, and we'll see what they can do. I can't wait to see what they have planned, because some teams script to start a half. Other teams just go, okay, these are the sequence of throws we want to run. These things worked well for us. But sometimes they throw it back down chunk play right away.
Oh, good job, Clark. Oh, almost picked it off. That's fourth down. Can Irvin return this? Yeah, here it is. Come on, don't blind him in the back. Irvin with a punt return for a touchdown. 73-yard touchdown return, or 73-yard punt return for a touchdown. But now after this, I know after the extra point and kickoff, I'm gonna sim the rest of the third quarter. Because I don't want, because it's 42-0. I just don't want this video to be super long. So after the kickoff, I'm gonna sim the rest of the third quarter. That sounded like bones were crushed. Not that, I almost was in the end of the quarter. They might score. They did score a touchdown, but we scored a touchdown. 40. It is 49-7. Packers. Vikings had the ball, sent it down on 7 from our 30. It's no shutout, but also I don't want it to be. That's Madison. Man, he just got bodied. Josh Statson, 2 sacks, 7 tackles. And that's Jones, or not Jones, cut down to the 3. Let's show a goal line. 60 half out. I'm Kenny Clark, here we go. Empty backfield. That's a touchdown to 18. Justin, that's who that is, Justin Jefferson. Anyway, didn't block this. No. 49-14. That was a 13-play drive and it lasted 3 minutes 58 seconds. It was 74 yards. I know I'll probably put in Jordan Love. In real life, I don't be active, but I think here I cut Tim Boyle. Chiefs are down 24-14 over the Jets. So let's go with substitutes. So we have, let's put in, remember when I put Mason, let's put in Love right now. He's a 72. Is he Love? Yeah, Love, Jordan Love. He does have a touchdown, I believe. That's his first throw is 18 yards. I might remember in week 1 where I put in Crosby and actually got a touchdown. I have to do that for Scott this week. Play the rest of the game. I'm probably not play the rest of the game, but there's 3:15 to go. Here we go. Come on, Love. I got triangle. Who is that? Who is 81? I have no idea who the 81 is. No idea who that is. That's Russian. Jordan Love with a Russian touchdown. First career Russian touchdown. Let's go for 2. Why not? It's a video game. Goal line, and we have Adam. It's a foot slants. 2-point conversion. It's 57-14. On the way. Now the wind is and the wind is going at the back of J.K. Stott. Here we go, into towards right of the end zone, and he needs it. 2:38 to go in the game. Take over. Third down, 2-minute warning. We're up 57-14.
So the Vikings in possession of the football as we get you reset. They're looking at second down now as they search for a consolation score.
Look at a slipstream, but then can't throw it. Sapped. Fifth sack this season. I thought it was fourth down for some reason. I thought third down.
Hands on hips, heads low. It has just been a struggle from the start. Yeah, this team has been thoroughly beaten.
Oh, that almost was trumpeted play by whoever that guy was.
Trials and tribulations of being a quarterback in this league. It's tough. It's got to be wearing on him out there.
Well, he has been sacked a number of times. He had an interception, so I'm going to give him Scotia credit.
Another punt return made by Irvin. No, but he'll return to the 35 minute 24 to go in the game. That's I know put in Scott. Yeah, JJ Scott. Yeah, JJ Stockton. Oh, Lewis just spun around Smith. JJ Scott's 1 for 1 with 7 yards. I did this with Mason Crosby in week 1, which was 2 episodes ago, which was September, which was like 3 months ago. Here's Scott, and then a touchdown. Can he even throw this? Yes, he can. Let's see if I want to do a touchdown. Obviously, he doesn't have a touchdown because he's never thrown the ball. No, wait, no, there's 10 seconds left. I got him! Touchdown! Scott's first touchdown in his NFL career. It's Sternberger. And Crosby makes it. It's 64-14. So we're up by 50. So we have what? 60. Well, usually it's 53. So we have 9 touchdowns, 8 extra points, and 1 2-point conversion. And the Jets won 35-28 over the Chiefs. Touchback. Well, the Vikings will move the 7-0. Yeah, 7-0, and the Vikings will fall to 2-5. Last play of the game, probably, and that ball is incomplete. There's 1 second left, so this will be the last play of the game, unless there's a flat against the Packers. Browns won 24-17 over the Raiders. Hit as he threw. It's caught, but 16 yards, and that's the game. So we move to 7-0, and the Vikings fall at 2-5. So I already told you what the next videos will be. Hopefully the Packers win in real life, because in real life they play in less than an hour. Other time I close on the board if you hit the like button. Subscribe if you have any. Tell your mom, dad, grandpa, aunts, uncles, pets, and friends about the videos. And you know what, I'm gonna see you in episode number 4 of his Madden 20 of his. And you know what, I'm gonna see you in episode number 4 of his Green Bay Packers Madden 21 franchise series. See you in episode number 4. And eat a lot of bacon and go Packers.